Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my project pan for the spring season edition, update number 2. I think I updated you guys too early on my first one, so I still have a month left, so I wanted to share with you guys where I stand. This project will end at the end of spring, and then I'll start my summer one. But before I get into my progress, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it, and let's get on with the products. So some products I have some progress, some I suck at, and others the world got involved. Let's just put it that way. So I'm just going to randomly start wherever it is. I have the 10 products here. I will link the second or the first update up on the iCards if you want to see where I am from there. But I'm going to share with you guys where I stand here. So the first product I have is my NARS Chelsea Girls Lip Lacquer. This is where I am at right now, you guys. Since my last update, I've only used it twice. No, three times, sorry. 3 times. So for my first update, I used it 5. Then I used it 3 more times. So a total of 8 times I've used this so far. It's not a lot, but I just tend to forget it because I keep it in my makeup bag so I can always use it whenever I film or do my makeup. And I don't reapply this due to the fact that you have to stick something in there. And I don't want to contaminate it since it's so old. So I use something to clean it with something, you know, sanitized, and I don't want to take it with me and stick my finger in there. So I've only used it 5 times. I am wearing it on top of the lip product that I am wearing. It works great on top of liquid lipsticks, lip liners, whatever it is. So I'm really enjoying it. So I'm not hating it. I'll just continue to use as much of it as possible. The next product that I do have is my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So when I first started this project, it was right here. Then my first update, I am all the way down to here, you guys. I've been doing so great. And I forgot to mention to you guys, I did lose a week of makeup use because of allergy season. Whenever allergy season, and I shouldn't say allergy season, when the oak trees, because that's what I am allergic to, is oak trees. When they decide to spread their seed, I cannot put anything on my face, nothing, because everything will stick, the pollen will stick to my face. So I even avoid going outdoors in the sun, no SPF, nothing on my face, because I'm constantly rinsing off my face with pollen. So I lost a week of use and I'm actually not bad. I'm about to pull out the stopper in this and try to scrape out as much as possible, crossing my fingers that at the finale I am basically done with this, because I do have a summer concealer I want to get use out of. So I did very well with that one. I'm very proud of myself for that. The next product that I do have is my MAC lipstick in syrup. This one has no progress. I've only used it 2 times since my last update. I just keep forgetting to put this. It's getting hotter, so I don't want to keep it in my purse because then it's going to melt and give me a big old issue. And I tend to leave my purse in the car because there's children that need my arms, basically. So I keep forgetting to take this with me. I have been using it only when I remember, and that's only like 2 to 3 times. The line is still where it was for my original or my second update, so you'll see it up on the screen. I didn't do too much on this, but I did use it 2 to 3 more times than I would have if it was in my drawer, basically. My MAC MSF in Medium Plus. This is going to be the product that'll kill me. This product has progress. Like, the dome is completely gone. I use this every single time I do my makeup. I've told you since November of last year, so I still have yet to hit pan, and that's my goal. I do see I'm getting closer, but I've been told that once you hit pan that it goes quicker. Once I'm done with the spring edition, this is going to get put away because this is not going to work for me in the summer. So I'm going to have to pull this back out in the fall. I was hoping by now I would have hit pan, but that's impossible. Even though that has been the one product I've used non-stop religiously. Next up is my erase paste from Benefit. I have made a lot bigger of a dent in here. This product I thought was going to be a lot harder for me to use, but nope, it's actually gotten a lot easier. So I am going to continue to use it until it's done, whether that rolls over into my summer edition or not. But I am going to continue to use it. I am doing very well in it. I use it every time, and I only use it in my inner corner. I don't use it all under my eye, so that's why it has the progress that it does have. Next up is my Urban Decay liner in Wicked. This does have some progress in it. As you guys can see, it has gotten smaller. I'm hesitating on saying whether this is going to get finished by the end of this project. I'm trying really, really hard to finish it up, but I didn't get as much use out of it this time around as I did my last update. And I think it's because I missed a week worth of wearing makeup. So I'm going to really hustle to get this done by this, by my finale of this challenge. If not, I will roll it over, and I'm pretty sure by the time I roll it over, I'm only going to have a few more uses. This is easy for me to use. I use it every time I wear a lip product, and I am wearing this with this lip product, and it works fine. So I'm not hating on it. I told you guys it doesn't need to match. You can just still use it. Next product that I have is my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This is completely done. I finished this today. There is some down here, but I can't get it out. I don't know if you guys can see that. I cannot get that out. I spray and spray and spray, and I can't get it out. So I'm calling this done. I am happy that I finished it up. I am currently using another one. I have so many backups of this, so I do like it. I think I just use it to spray my face throughout the day. It feels so good, especially when it's hot out. Spritz your face, keep that in the fridge. It works great. So I am finished with at least one product. I'm very, very happy with that. So 1 down, 9 to go. Here's my Josie Marin and the final product that I have. This is the Argan Brightening Bronzer. This product I just wanted to hit pan on. And I did. I hit pan on it. I was very proud of myself. This was a very powdery bronzer. Even from the brand, once I had it brand new, it was still a very powdery bronzer. So it wasn't because of age, it got more powderier than before. It's always been that way. But when I hit pan, it had like an air pocket in it. So I noticed that there was an air pocket in one of the areas. I left it on my counter. One of my children decided to grab it and knock it over. And when I tell you it went everywhere, it went everywhere. So unfortunately I could not repress it. So this was done, completely done. I did hit my goal on it. Unfortunately, the rest of it died with it. It was bad. It was tragic. This bronzer, I like it. I realized I like this bronzer more in the summer because I'm more of a tan. It had a red undertone to it. I felt like it was way too pigmented. So towards the end of me hitting pan on it, I was getting annoyed with it because I had to be very careful with it. I couldn't build it up on my face, and I had to make sure I blended it out because then it would look so pronounced on my face. So I am happy I am done with it. It was an accidental thing. I cleaned out the pan because now I use the mirror in this. This is what I use now to do my makeup when I am not in a space where I have a table. So I do like the packaging of it as well. It's really pretty. So I am keeping the compact to use it as a mirror. I am happy that it's gone. Unfortunately, it wasn't used completely up, but I did get a lot of use out of it. So I'm not hating it. So I'm calling this done because I did hit my goal on it. So I finished I hit 2 of my goals out of the 9 or the 10 products that I do have. For the finale, I am hoping this concealer will be done. I am hoping that I at least get one of these sides. I'm going to concentrate on one of these sides to kind of like wear it out. Lip liner, I'm going to try very, very hard to finish up as well. And then my NARS Chelsea Girl, my lipstick in syrup, and my MSF are the 3 things that I know I'm probably not going to hit my goal on, but I will get more use out of them. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're doing a project pan, please let me know down in the comment section. I would love to go follow you and see your progress on it. I'm very, very excited. For my summer one, I'm still debating on what I'm doing, considering with everything that's happening in my personal life. I don't know if I can use 10 products, but I'm still going to do a project pan. I'm just debating on, I got to time it right because everything is falling into place recently and I need to figure things out before I commit myself to 10 products. But anyway, I will get there when I get there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.